channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we will be doing some dupes for Fenty Beauty's Body Lava. Now I know you guys are probably like, girl, this has been out for a minute, like, you know. But what had happened was I filmed this video a long time ago and finals got in the way, got to editing, and I just didn't like it. I was like, no, they deserve better. Like, by the way, if you guys want to see a more in-depth review slash first impressions for the Body Lava itself, definitely click my video. I will have it somewhere on the screen and in the description box below. This hand will have the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. Ooh, ah. I don't know why I'm like this, I'm sorry. And then this hand will have my swatches, so I'll like continuously wipe it off with a makeup remover wipe, put on a new one, but this hand will be consistent with the Body Lava. Alright guys, so let's go. So one thing I learned from my previous video is make sure you use a brush or a kabuki brush to apply this product. Alright guys, so I put 4 pumps of the Body Lava on my arm. So yeah, you guys are definitely going to see the intensity of this product, and this hand has nothing as of now. Let's just give this Body Lava a quick minute. Like, come on, Body Lava, regular hand, you know. Guys, so my first dupe is the Be Enchanted Shimmer Mist by Bath & Body Works. Smells amazing. If you like the scent Be Enchanted, you'll obviously love this because this is how it smells. The obvious difference is this is a mist, and also the bottle is plastic, which I like. It's very portable, and it is 8 fluid ounces, so you get a lot of product. Yeah, I did not have to blend this in. Unlike the Fenty Beauty product, you have to make sure you really blend it in so it doesn't look streaky. This, you can just spray it on your skin and make it just dry. And one thing I really like about this product is that it's a mist. Therefore, in the hot summertime when you're spraying it, it feels so cooling and just amazing, and it smells great. So yeah, this is the closest I would say to Who Needs Clothes. Has a lot of glitter going on. The more you spray, the more intense the glitter effect will be. Second dupe, this is on the pricier side, and the shimmer effect, in my opinion, isn't as intense, and also it's more on the golden side, so it's not going to be very similar to Who Needs Clothes, but it's also a really nice dupe, and it's not as expensive as the Body Lava. So this is Bronze Goddess by Estée Lauder. I got this as a gift, but I really like it. It's super lightweight. It's like an oil. You just shake it up. I like the size. This is 1.7 fluid ounces, but I also really like it. It just looks really beautiful. Like, come on, look how cute this is. You guys won't see a huge impact when it comes to the glitter. It's really more so of it just like a natural sheen to the skin. So my last dupe product is one of my favorites as well. I used this so much last summer. This is the Hawaiian Tropic Shimmer Effect After Sun Moisturizer, and it highlights your skin tone. That's what it says on the package, and that's what it does. Unlike the other 2 dupes that I just showed you guys that are sprays and more on the oily side, this is more so like a lotion. I definitely put a little too much. But I do want to say this is most likely very similar to the Brown Sugar shade from Fenty Beauty. You guys notice it turned from a creamy like white color to a beautiful bronze shade. Like, it looks like my skin. Look at this glow. It looks so natural. I was obsessed and I still am. And out of all the dupes, this is the most affordable. It's like under 10 bucks and you get so much product. It is 6 fluid ounces. It's a plastic bottle. You can put this in your bag. I took this with me a lot to the beach. By the way, the Bronze Goddess has a very like subtle vanilla scent to it, and this has a very fresh like beachy vibe scent. It's not strong at all. So this doesn't have the glittery effect that the Fenty Beauty product has, but the glow is just unbeatable in my opinion. That is it for my video. I am really hoping that the camera does these products justice because they look so good and I think they are all worth trying. If I had to recommend one, I would definitely say try the Hawaiian Tropic. The price, you really can't beat it. It's like 10 bucks and I think it will just look good on any skin tone. It's that really nice bronzy vibe. Like I said, super portable, and I just really like the natural glow it gives to the skin. Definitely check out my Fenty Beauty Body Lava review. Let me know if you guys would splurge for the product, or will you guys be trying out one of these products? So yeah, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful glowing summer, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!